Have you ever wondered just how many species on Earth remain undiscovered? It's a question that has piqued the curiosity of scientists and laypeople alike. As we delve into the depth of discovery, it's important to understand that we've only scratched the surface when it comes to unveiling the multitude of life forms that inhabit our planet. Now, when we say undiscovered species, we're not just talking about some elusive jungle insect or a rare deep-sea creature. We are referring to a vast array of organisms spanning across different kingdoms, from plants to fungi, microbes to mammals, and everything in between. It's estimated that we've only catalogued a mere fraction of the total number of species on Earth. Some scientists suggest that for every species we know, there could be up to 9 others that we haven't discovered yet. It's like we're detectives in a cosmic game of hide and seek. But why is it so challenging to discover these hidden life forms? Well, there are a few reasons. One of the primary obstacles is the inaccessibility of certain habitats. Think about the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our oceans, or the dense, unexplored rainforests of the Amazon. These areas are teeming with life, but reaching them and conducting research is no easy feat. When we delve into the past, we enter a world of even greater mystery. Fossils, the preserved remains or traces of animals, plants, and other organisms from the remote past, are our only tangible link to that world. They serve as a time capsule, a preserved snapshot of life as it once was. Each fossil carries with it a story, a tiny piece of an ancient puzzle that has been piecing together the history of life on Earth for millions of years. Now, you might be wondering, how does something as ephemeral as life leave such a permanent mark? The process is known as fossilization, and it's a bit like winning the lottery. When an organism dies, it needs to be quickly buried in sediment. Over time, the soft parts of the organism decompose, and the hard parts, like bones or shells, are left behind. These parts are then gradually replaced by minerals, essentially turning the organism into stone. This process is incredibly rare. Most organisms decompose entirely before they can be fossilized. This means that the fossil record is not a complete picture of life in the past. Instead, it's a bit like a photo album with many pages missing. In fact, it's estimated that we've only found fossils for a tiny fraction of all species that have ever lived. Some scientists believe that we've discovered less than 1% of all species that have ever existed. That's like trying to understand a book when you only have a handful of its pages. This reality presents us with a fascinating paradox. On one hand, the fossil record is incredibly rich, filled with a diversity of life that is truly mind-boggling. On the other hand, it is also profoundly incomplete. Every new fossil discovery fills in a little more of the picture, but we will never have a complete image. This leaves us with a vast, unexplored, prehistoric world, but how vast could it be? The answer may be far more expansive than we can even begin to comprehend. What if we told you that 90% of all fossils are still undiscovered? Yes, you heard that right. A whopping 90% of all fossils that have ever existed are yet to be unearthed. But how do we come to such an astonishing figure? To get a grasp on this, we need to delve into the world of paleontology, the study of prehistoric life. Scientists estimate the number of undiscovered fossils based on the species we currently know about, and how many fossils we've found of each. By extrapolating this data, they can estimate the total number of species that have ever existed, and thus, the total number of fossils. Let's imagine Earth's biodiversity as a giant jigsaw puzzle. Every fossil we find is a piece of that puzzle. But if 90% of the puzzle pieces are missing, we're left with a rather incomplete picture. This means that our understanding of Earth's biodiversity history is based on just 10% of the total data. It's like trying to understand the plot of a novel by reading only 1 out of every 10 pages. You'd get the gist, but the intricate details, the subtle twists and turns, the depth of the characters, all these would be lost. And so it is with our understanding of prehistoric life. We have a broad overview, but the finer details remain shrouded in mystery. This vast, undiscovered world of fossils represents countless unknown species, creatures that roamed the Earth long before humans, plants that bloomed and withered millions of years ago, ecosystems that thrived and then disappeared, all waiting to be discovered. These unseen fossils are not just remnants of prehistoric life. They're clues to our planet's past, keys to understanding how life has evolved over billions of years. Each undiscovered fossil holds a story, a glimpse into a world long gone. So the prehistoric world is even more mysterious than we thought. But what does this mean for us today? It means that there are still countless mysteries to unlock, countless stories to uncover. The exploration of our planet's past is far from over, and every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our own place in Earth's grand tapestry of life. Why does it matter that there are so many undiscovered species and fossils, you might ask? Well, the answer lies in the heart of our understanding of this magnificent planet we call home. Let's start by considering biodiversity. It's akin to a vast, intricate tapestry, each thread representing a different species. When we lose a species or a thread, the tapestry frays, and if we lose too many threads, the tapestry could unravel, destabilizing ecosystems and impacting our very existence. So, discovering new species helps us appreciate the richness of life on Earth and underscores the importance of conservation. Now, let's move deeper into the past, back to the realm of paleontology. Fossils are like time capsules, offering glimpses into the Earth's history. They can tell us about the creatures that roamed the Earth millions of years ago and about the environments in which they lived. This, in turn, helps us understand how life has evolved over time, shaping the world as we know it today. But there's more. Fossils can also give us insights into past climate change events. By studying the life forms and environmental conditions of the past, we can better understand the Earth's natural climate cycles. This knowledge is crucial as we grapple with the impacts of modern-day climate change. The discovery of new species and fossils isn't just about adding to our collection of interesting curiosities. It's about piecing together the puzzle of our planet's history, about understanding the intricate web of life, and about informing our actions today for a sustainable future. Uncovering the mysteries of our planet's past and present isn't just a hobby or an academic pursuit. It's a task that demands curiosity, patience, and determination. It's a task that each of us, in our own way, can contribute to. And who knows, the next great discovery could be just a stone's throw away. So let's keep exploring, let's keep discovering, because every new find brings us one step closer to understanding the grand saga of life on Earth. Uncovering the mysteries of our planet's past and present is a task that requires curiosity, patience, and determination. As we gaze into the future, what can we expect from the field of discovery? Let's delve into that fascinating topic. The advent of technology has revolutionized the way we explore and understand our world. In the realm of discovery, particularly in identifying undiscovered fossils, technology plays an indispensable role. Remote sensing technology, for instance, has opened up new avenues, allowing scientists to scan and map areas previously inaccessible. It's like giving them superhuman vision, enabling them to peer beneath the Earth's surface and uncover hidden treasures. Then there's the exciting world of artificial intelligence, a tool that's increasingly finding its place in this field. AI-driven identification methods powered by complex algorithms and machine learning can analyze and identify fossils with a degree of accuracy and speed that surpasses human capabilities. Imagine a machine that can sift through thousands of fossil images in mere seconds and identify potential new species. That's the power of AI, and it's only going to get stronger. But technology is just a tool, a means to an end. The heart of discovery still lies with human curiosity, our insatiable desire to understand our world and our place in it. The importance of continued exploration and research cannot be overstated. Every new expedition, every research project, every dive into the unknown adds another piece to the puzzle of our planet's history. So what does the future of discovery look like? It's a future where technology and human curiosity go hand in hand, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can know. It's a future where every discovery, big or small, sheds light on the story of life on Earth. So, while we may never fully know the number of species or fossils hidden in our planet's depths, every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the rich tapestry of life on Earth.